Hello, everyone, and welcome to all the new subscribers. We're up about 1,000% in less than 2 weeks. So we're very excited to let you know that in a short while, I'm busy preparing a new video of this scene. Yep, the Kogelberg Mountain there towards Cool Bay, beyond Cool Bay, on the tidal pool side. But come and have a closer look with me at this mountain and its surrounds. We'll also go for a flight down to the tidal pool later. But let's look around and get a close look up because we're not allowed to walk here, unfortunately. It is closely guarded. I'm really excited to show this to you because it is a wonderful part of the False Bay region. Our mountains here are exquisite. People come from all over the world to see Table Mountain, but they miss this side. This is, of course, as I said, a biosphere, and so is protected for the sake of its flora and fauna. We do want to care for that. It needs the protection it's getting, but it would be nice to have a close look up, and that's why I'm here, so you can see it from above.